This is part 1 on how to download fonts for Cricut. Go to thefont.com, pick a font, select download again, head over to this arrow and select your download. Tap the zip file so that it can unzip. Now open. Go ahead and select TTF. Select the share button. Share it to any font. If you don't have it, download it. Open any font and select the font you just downloaded. Tap install, allow, close and head over to your settings. Select profile downloaded in settings and here you want to install. Put your password in and select done. Hit next, then install. Install again and you're done. Here is where you'll find all your downloaded fonts that you can use on your iPad. Part 2, open Cricut. Select text. Select system. Look for the font you just downloaded and select it. Type your word. Resize. Actions. Ungroup. Adjust your letters so that they're all together. Select all letters. Weld. And you're done.